Hey everybody, my name is DJ Wright. I'm a wealth advisor and investment manager for Financial Freedom Wealth Management Group. And we are coming to you live every day this month. We're about halfway through, and that's because it's Financial Literacy Month. So today we are going to talk about ESG investing. We'll explain that here in a moment. We have Earth Day coming up here on April 22nd, so I wanted to talk to you guys about ESG investing, also called sustainable investing. You've got impact investing, values-based investing, socially responsible investing. There's a whole lot of names for it. We call it ESG, and that stands for environmental, social, and governance. So there's three aspects to it. Think of environment as reducing fossil fuels, taking care of the planet. The social piece is how the company is interacting with society. And then governance is going to be more of the company's values, how the company is run. So it's an exciting time, and this kind of investing is really getting much bigger. Again, lots of names, but you can kind of think of it as investing to make a difference, investing to make change. Now, this looks different to different people, so there's no right way to do it. Some people could be focused on the environment, and somebody else could be focused on how the companies, do they have women on the board, things like that. So again, no right or wrong answer. It's whatever you feel is important to you. Now, a lot of people do like the sustainability. Is the company hurting the planet? Are they taking action to try to take care of things, as far as the planet's health and all that? But again, a whole lot more to it than just that. So how do you actually create change with your investments? We're going to go over three different factors. So the first one is supporting the companies that you think are doing things right. So including companies in your portfolio that again you feel are invest or are running their company the right way. So when you buy a stock, you're basically voting with your dollar. You're saying I support that company. Number two is excluding companies that aren't doing the right thing. So keeping those out of your portfolio. Again, it's another voting with your dollar, telling that company, hey, I don't support you. I'm not going to invest in you. Now, the third one is a little bit different. It's called shareholder advocacy. And so when you invest in, say, an ESG mutual fund, so a mutual fund is a pooled investments. There's a certain company that manages that, and they decide which companies are included in it and which ones are not. So you invest in that company. That mutual fund company is actually out there advocating for you, the shareholder. So they're talking directly to companies, individual companies, saying, hey, if you want to be included in our ESG mutual fund, you need to change this, this, and this about your company. And so that has a lot of power. These mutual fund companies, they manage quite a lot of money. And so when they're coming and knocking on somebody's door saying, look, you're not in our mutual fund, you need to change your ways, companies are actually going to listen. So that's that third piece, shareholder advocacy. We have an ESG portfolio that we've recently revamped, pretty excited about it. And so if this is something that you're interested in, come talk to us. We actually can run an analysis and look at your current holdings, your current investments. We can show you if it's in alignment with what's important to you. And so we'd love to do that for you. Let me know if you have any questions. And that's all I have for you guys today. Have a good Earth Day and a great week. And we'll see you tomorrow